Hello? So, this is Electrical Dealers Association of Nigeria. Make sure the officers of the market are doing everything possible to make sure before you enter inside market that you are with your PVC. This time around, the market have taken it upon themselves to make sure that things goes as it was planned. You can see it by yourself. You can see it by yourself. Electrical Dealers Association of Nigeria. You are doing the work as it was planned. Enter markets with your PVC. Yes. EDN at the Alaba International Market. As you can see the PRO of the market there, making sure that everything that is going well as it's supposed to be. These ones inside the market here is the people that already they are with their PVC already. That is the ones you are seeing inside here.
As you can see, my brothers and sisters, this is the notice here in Bini Asaba Express Road bypass. Here, bypass Agbo Road. There is the Kwaniro Bini Onitsha Asaba Express bypass. This is the notice. The notice have been placed, and you can see the poster of no more election in Biafraland starting from this year 2023 have been posted. No more Nigeria election here in Biafraland. You can see it. This is it. No more election. No more election in the land of Biafra. No more Nigeria election here. And people, you can see it. It is pasted everywhere. It's posted everywhere here. No more Nigeria election Biafraland everywhere. Here in Bini Asaba Express Road bypass in Ekwe. You can see it. Okay, this is it. This is it. No more election in the land of Biafra. No more Nigeria election. Starting from this year 2023, Ojukwu Effiong, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Samuel Ekpa, headmen, the men in charge, the men in charge, the men in charge, the men in charge. Yes, Java is coming 2023. No more Nigeria election. Beware. Thank you.
So, my correalistic people, you can see the rate of what is going on right now. How will you deprive your own people, deprive them of their rights, where they get their daily bread, where they get their food? You said because they did not have a PVC, they should go back. That very day, they are not going to open shop. Henceforth, they will not open their shop for them. They will not sell. They will not do anything until they get their PVC. The strategies that the Northerners use during election is different. These people, they know how to run election. Yes, let me use that word, permit me. They know how to do their things. They know how to entice their people. They know what to do for their people to fall for them. Look at Lagos State, for instance. The Oduduwas, before Bola Tinubu think of ever coming as a presidential aspirant, he first of all level every dispute in that state. He first of all change everything. Example, releasing Sunday Igboho. He make sure that Sunday Igboho regain his freedom so that nobody will hold anything against him. Now, the northern part of Nigeria, what they normally do is this. You will not see them one day arresting Boku. Rather, they try to also free their people. In fact, the West, the North, they will not even trade anything for their own people. But when you talk about the southeastern part of Nigeria, come on. They use politics to destroy their own people. They torture them with the sense of politics. They will tell you that they are the ones that give you life that they cannot even give. They will maltreat you on it, treat you badly, in fact, delete you from it. Can you imagine? Is it by force to get PVC? Will you deprive people of their daily food, their daily business, where they get their own food because of PVC, when at the end of the day, this is just the stress that they are going to pass through? When they enter the office, they look like they don't even know them. Rather, they will still come to that market and increase tax upon tax. Here you are, fighting your own brother, fighting your own sister, closing everywhere that they will not use their shop except they go for PVC. And now some persons, even for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they will not get the PVC to collect. And when some people say, okay, one day sit at home, they will say, oh, you are depriving everybody of their right. And your own sit at home now, you are giving to these people is even worse. Your own sit at home now, you are giving to them is even worse. Come on. Have you seen a day in Nigeria you will go and cast your vote and the election or the county go peacefully without not depriving you of your rights? The people, they are tired. They are tired of going to cast their vote because there is no free and fair. They are tired. That is why you see that they feel so reluctant to go and collect the PVC. Not that they cannot collect the PVC to go and cast their vote, but they assume that is of no use. And again, the force you are putting on them make them to even know that yes, if they even collect the PVC, nothing will still happen. So my Kabbalistic people, I just say let me bring this update for you so that you know things that is going on right now. If they shut down full market, that these people are not going to sell because of PVC. Instead, they try to pet them. They try to talk into them. They try to make them see reason why they will get their PVC. But reverse is the case. You are forcing them, tormenting them, stressing them, beating them on top their own PVC, on top their own willingness to go and cast their vote. Now tell me, will they agree to, even if they get that PVC, they did not vote? Will you know? That is another question. You are treating them this way as if they are tarts. You are fighting them, beating them, and they get that PVC. And on the day of election, they did not even leave their house to go and cast these votes. Will you be aware? Come on. We are doing this at times with our brain upside down. You are beating people that they did not collect their PVC. You are depriving them of selling. That now they are going to take the campaign into the market. That they are going to do the needful in the market. Without PVC, you will not enter market. Without PVC, you will not enter church. Fine. A lot of them now will go and do the PVC. With this you are doing, will they come out to vote? That is just the question. Will you still go to their houses to beat them to come and vote? This is where we are getting it wrong. Getting the PVC is not the problem. The willingness to vote will push in the force to go and get the PVC. If you don't know, you got to know. Beating them this way because of this PVC, it won't work. Believe me, you are doing the worst mistake, because on that day they will be sleeping in their house And if you ask them they vote, they will tell you yes. How will you know they voted or they did not? So please, the sense is not there. The common sense is not there. We have to do things with brain, with sense, if really what we are really seeking for is the right source. So my correalistic people, I said let me bring this update to come and share it with you. You know, as I keep on giving it to you back to back. Thank you so much. Please share this video, like and subscribe so that those people, that market PRO, we know that forcing them to get PVC, will you still force them to vote? Let's use our brain. This is not the right way at all. So thank you so much and bye-bye.